Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. I'm here in beautiful Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, teaching yoga here for the week at a resort, and I wanted to share with you the powerful sensation of the ocean and the breeze. There's a storm coming in and there's so much energy, so I thought we'd do a meditation together in order to absorb all this beautiful, powerful energy of the ocean. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to start in a comfortable seat. You can relax your hands in your lap, shoulders away from the ears. Gently close the eyes and start to tune into the sounds of the waves, the breeze going by through the palm trees. And starting to invite your breath in more fully, lengthening the inhale and the exhale. We're going to start to visualize our breath just like the ocean waves. So on the inhale, the wave is building. And on the exhale, the wave is crashing into the shore. Noticing on the inhale that you draw your energy up from your pelvis. And then as you exhale out your heart, the wave returns. Inhaling, building that energy from your pelvis up to the heart. And then exhaling in return, the wave crashing down. And just visualizing your breath riding on a wave. Inhaling, building strength. Exhaling, releasing, letting go. And a few more breaths, just inhaling. Noticing your body maybe shifting back and forth just like a wave. Expanding your lungs and ribs on the inhale, and then softening like you're coming right to the shore on the exhale. Few more breaths like that. Inhaling and exhaling. And just noticing your connection with the rhythm of the ocean. Continuing the breath, always in flow, always moving. That sensation of coming together and falling apart and then coming together again. And we'll do several more breaths on our own, visualizing the expansion and contraction. Continue that breath. Inhale, expand. Exhale, contract, release. Let's do 3 more breaths on our own. And after your last exhale, just resuming your normal breath. And just noticing how your body feels, that connection with the ocean. As a human, we are majority water, so just allowing that flow within us to connect with the natural flow of the surrounding sea. We'll bring the hands to heart center, bow the mind to the heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today in this ocean practice, ocean breathwork. If you like this meditation, let me know how you felt after the practice by dropping a comment. And if you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. Here comes the storm. If you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.